Looking for student accommodation in Sheffield with a cozy feel? This property could be perfect for you. Home to over 160 students, the Anvil offers a variety of elegant studios and ensuite apartments for you to choose from. Find yourself sleeping in luxury at the self-contained studio apartment, which comes with fully furnished bedroom with ensuite bathroom, an equipped kitchenette, and a wonderful living area. An ensuite room would be the best suited for those who would like to stay in a shared flat with new friends. Apart from this, the Anvil also has an amazing communal study room with Wi-Fi throughout the property, as well as some of the most enjoyable social spaces, which comes with comfy sofas, huge TV, pool table, and a cozy outdoor courtyard. The setup is quite perfect to help you balance your academic and social lives. For students of the University of Sheffield or Sheffield Hallam University, the location is a major selling point. With city center just down the street and many restaurants, bars, and popular leisure areas at a walkable distance from the property, you're never too far from all the action. To make reservations or view more budget-friendly student housing options in Sheffield, connect with us at amberstudent.com today.